Hey there, YouTube fam! Welcome back to TKrev Studio. Today is a special day because we have a brand new product to unbox and review, the Bose QuietComfort 45 wireless Bluetooth noise-canceling headphones in white. Smoke, these headphones promise to deliver exceptional sound quality, personalized noise cancellation, and a stylish design. Let's dive right in. Alright, let's get this box open and see what's inside. This carrying case is amazing. Thanks to Bose for the carrying case. The build quality is top-notch, as expected from Bose. They feel sturdy yet lightweight, making them perfect for long listening sessions. The soft ear cushions are designed for maximum comfort. These headphones come equipped with personalized noise cancellation, which means they adapt to your environment for an immersive listening experience. Whether you're on a noisy plane or in a busy cafe, these headphones will adjust to your surroundings. Pairing these headphones is a breeze, and you also get touch-sensitive controls for playback and volume adjustment. It's so convenient to use. These headphones also have a built-in microphone. For crystal clear calls, your voice comes through loud and clear. And the noise cancellation ensures you can focus on your conversations, even in noisy environments. Now, let's talk about what really matters, the sound quality. I'm going to connect these to my device and play some of my favorite tracks. Listening wow. The audio quality is incredible. The bass is punchy, mids are clear, and the highs are crisp. These headphones are a music lover's dream. Link in the description for these amazing headphones. So there you have it. The Bose QuietComfort 45 wireless Bluetooth noise cancelling headphones in white smoke. They offer premium sound quality, personalized noise cancellation, and an elegant design, whether you're a music enthusiast or just need some peace and quiet. These headphones have you covered. Thank you so much for joining me on this unboxing journey. If you found this video helpful or informative, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to TKrev for more tech reviews and unboxings. And as always, if you have any questions or thoughts, leave them in the comments below. Until next time, happy listening!